Ready to upgrade your kitchen with gadgets that actually make a difference? These newest Amazon kitchen finds are designed to save time, reduce clutter, and make everyday cooking feel effortless. From smart prep tools to clever space-saving essentials, these picks are absolutely worth checking out. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Say goodbye to cluttered pantries with these elegant glass storage jars. Each set comes with thick, durable glass containers and airtight acacia lids to keep pasta, cereal, or grains fresh. With 132 pre-printed labels, organizing your pantry is a breeze, and the minimalist design adds a touch of farmhouse charm to any kitchen. Dishwasher-safe jars and wipe-clean lids make maintenance effortless. Tame your kitchen chaos. This adjustable 8-tier pot and pan rack fits under cabinets, on counters, or in pantries to keep cookware neat and accessible. No tools needed. Set it up in minutes and customize the dividers for any pot or lid size. Rock-steady construction means no wobbling when you grab your favorite pan. Maximize space, keep everything organized, and make cooking a breeze. Cooking anywhere just got smarter. This portable induction cooktop heats quickly and precisely with 20 power and temperature settings. The Touch LCD panel lets you boil, simmer, or keep food warm with just a tap. Safety features like child locks and auto pan detection keep accidents away. Compact, lightweight, and energy efficient, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even outdoor cooking adventures. So if you want precise cooking anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Chopping vegetables just got effortless. This 4-in-1 slicer handles everything from onions and chili peppers to garlic and nuts in seconds. One push and ingredients drop straight into your pot. No messy hands, no lingering odors. Quick to clean with a rinse and wipe design, it even comes with a handy brush for stubborn bits. Compact, cordless, and fast charging, it's perfect for home kitchens, camping, or outdoor cooking adventures. Imagine never guessing measurements again. This smart storage system automatically dispenses the exact amount of flour, sugar, rice, or nuts right into your bowl. A built-in digital scale keeps portions precise, whether you use weight or volume. BPA-free, airtight containers keep ingredients fresh and your kitchen tidy. Perfect for batch baking or everyday cooking, it saves time, space, and effort while keeping everything organized. So if you want precise ingredients every time, scan the QR on screen. Add fresh citrus flavor in a flash. These manual sprayers fit lemons, limes, and oranges, letting you mist juice directly onto salads, seafood, or grilled dishes. Just insert, press, and enjoy. No cutting or squeezing required. The built-in filter keeps seeds out and delivers a smooth, even spray every time. Perfect for the kitchen or backyard BBQ. It's a fun, mess-free way to brighten any meal. Keep your drinks fresh and spill-free. These reusable can lids fit standard soda, juice, or energy drink cans and come with built-in silicone straws. BPA-free and airtight, they prevent leaks while keeping your beverage tasty. Bright colors help everyone tell their drink apart, perfect for parties or families. Dishwasher safe and eco-friendly, they make sipping on the go simple, stylish, and sustainable. Baking bread just got easier. This Danish dough whisk mixes wet and dry ingredients quickly without overworking your dough. The open coil design moves through thick sourdough, pizza, or bread dough effortlessly. A smooth wooden handle gives you a comfortable grip while mixing. Lightweight, durable, and easy to rinse clean. It's the perfect tool for bakers of all levels. So if you want perfectly mixed dough every time, scan the QR on screen. Snack time just got a glow up. This candy machine stores and dispenses 3 different treats at once. A simple twist and fingertip dispenser lets you grab your favorite snacks in seconds. It rotates 360 degrees so everyone can reach their choice without moving a thing. Easy to fill, easy to clean, and perfect for kids, adults, or anyone who loves quick, fun snacking. Making perfect fries just got effortless. This cutter turns potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more into uniform sticks or cubes in seconds. Ultra-sharp stainless steel blades slice quickly, while the protective cover keeps your hands safe. The clear container catches everything, keeping your countertop clean. Compact, durable, and easy to clean. It makes meal prep faster, safer, and even a little fun. So if you want perfect fries every time, scan the QR on screen. Breakfast just got a glow up. This electric egg bite maker cooks fluffy, protein-packed bites in minutes without any fuss. Non-stick silicone cups release every bite perfectly, so nothing sticks or crumbles. You can even make mini desserts, cheesecakes, or custards if you're feeling creative. Compact, quick, and easy to clean, it makes meal prep simple and fun for the whole family. Fresh juice is just a button away. This electric juicer squeezes lemons, limes, oranges, and even pomegranates without you lifting a finger. One-touch operation makes it easy for anyone to use, and the smart cone design gets every last drop. Detachable parts and a cleaning brush mean cleanup is quick and simple. Compact and space-saving, it fits perfectly in any kitchen while delivering fresh juice anytime. Shredding chicken just got way faster. This tool grabs your cooked meat and twists it into perfect shreds in seconds. A clear lid lets you see the meat as it spins, while spikes and teeth guide it evenly into the center. The anti-slip base and ergonomic handle keep it steady and comfortable while you work. Great for chicken, pork, or beef. It's perfect for tacos, BBQ, salads, or even pet food. Egg prep just got ridiculously easy. This slicer lets you turn hard-boiled eggs into perfect wedges, cubes, or slices in seconds. Sharp stainless steel blades do the work while keeping everything neat and uniform. You can even use it for strawberries, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, or grapes, anything soft that needs slicing. Compact, dishwasher safe, and ready to make your salads and snacks look like a chef made them. Stop digging through the back of your fridge or cabinets. This Lazy Susan spins 360 degrees, so you can reach anything without moving a thing. Dual-axis rotation means it fits more items in less space, turning corners into organized spots. Non-slip feet and raised edges keep everything safe while it spins. Perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, or even your vanity. Everything stays visible, tidy, and easy to grab. So if you want effortless access to all your items, scan the QR on screen. Tired of soggy salads on the go? This smart salad jar with a side opening makes meal prep effortless and mess-free. Layer your grains, toppings, and greens right in the jar, keeping everything crisp until you're ready to eat. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's reusable, odor-resistant, and fits easily into backpacks or lunch bags, perfect for work, travel, or daily healthy routines. Tired of struggling with onions or uneven veggie slices? This stainless steel slicer makes prep effortless. Its 10-fork design holds onions, tomatoes, potatoes, or lemons securely while you slice, keeping your hands safe and mess-free. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel with a comfortable non-slip grip, it's easy to clean and built to last. Perfect for quick meal prep or creating uniform slices for salads and dishes. So if you want perfect slices every time, scan the QR on screen. Chopping fruit doesn't need to be a hassle anymore. This fruit slicer cup lets you press down and get perfectly even slices in seconds. Stainless steel blades cut smoothly while the push plate keeps your hands safe. You can use it for strawberries, bananas, kiwis, veggies, or even boiled eggs. Compact, easy to clean, and super quick. It makes fruit salads and meal prep effortless. Running out of cabinet space for your mugs? This stackable coffee mug organizer lets you store cups, glasses, and mugs vertically to instantly free up room. The adjustable design grips everything securely, from ceramic mugs to stemless glasses, keeping them from tipping or scratching. No tools or hooks needed, just squeeze to lock in place. Durable, easy to clean, and expandable. It's perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or coffee stations. Washing and draining food just got way easier. This multifunctional drain basket sits over your sink to rinse fruits, veggies, or pasta without making a mess. Water drains quickly while your food stays put, and you can even use it as a prep bowl or mini dish rack. BPA-free and easy to clean, it keeps your hands safe and your sink clutter-free. Perfect for everyday cooking, salad prep, or thawing frozen food. So if you want hassle-free food prep, scan the QR on screen. Tired of spoons that make a mess on your countertop? This sit-up silicone spoon stands on its own, keeping the head off your bench. Its flexible tip scrapes every last bit of sauce or batter, acting like a mini squeegee. Measuring lines let you scoop exactly 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, so you get it right every time. Heat-resistant and safe for non-stick pans. It's built for stress-free cooking and easy cleanup. No one likes cold food at the table. This food warming mat keeps your dishes at the perfect temperature from start to finish. You can pick the heat level for soups, hot pots, or leftovers, and set the timer for up to 6 hours. A child lock keeps little hands safe, while the heat-resistant pad protects your table from burns. Just plug it in, place your plates, and enjoy warm, ready-to-eat meals anytime. So if you want every meal served piping hot, scan the QR on screen. Stop tossing used oil and start saving it the smart way. This stainless steel oil filter pot strains, stores, and even serves your cooking oil all in one. A fine mesh filter catches crumbs and bits, keeping oil clean for reuse. The deep fryer basket makes lifting fried food quick and mess-free. With a leak-proof spout and sturdy handle, pouring is easy and controlled every time. Stop digging through messy containers for snacks or ingredients. This divided serving tray keeps everything separated, from fruit and nuts to spices and veggies. The clear lid snaps shut to lock in freshness, and the stackable design saves fridge or pantry space. You can rearrange the 6 removable dividers to fit whatever you need. Perfect for meal prep, parties, or just keeping snacks organized and easy to grab. So if you want stress-free snack organization, scan the QR on screen. Frying shouldn't leave your kitchen looking like a splash zone. This foldable splatter screen covers your pan and stops hot oil from popping everywhere. You still get proper airflow, so food cooks evenly without trapping steam. The soft, heat-resistant handle stays cool, giving you a safe and steady grip. When you're done, it folds flat and goes straight into the dishwasher for easy cleanup. So if you want a mess-free frying experience, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.